Oh, that's a good one.
Uh-oh. The binding looked like it popped. You're not supposed to do that. Nice.
I did it.
Oh!
Doing that telemark.
Pulled that one out.
Yeah, it looks like he was doing a telemark.
That would have been a good bail.
It did.
Oh, he was dragging that one.
Oh! Hey! That's not a telemark.
Silent!
Nice work.
Almost lost it halfway down.
Almost face planted in there.
Down near the bottom, it's kind of a double pillow. It's really cool.
Looks really nice.
Here's jump 1.
Yeah!
Jump 2.
Oh! You missed the big
Still
one.
looks good.
Nice run though.
That was way easier than I thought it would be.
Awesome!